Want to turn your website visitors into loyal customers? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a lead magnet on Wix, a free resource you give away in exchange for someone's email address. This is going to help you build your email list so you can nurture leads and grow your business. First, you need a valuable lead magnet. This could be an ebook, a checklist, a template, or even a free video course. Think about what your audience needs and create something that solves a problem for them. Once you've nailed that step, head to your Wix editor. Next, you'll need to integrate an email marketing app like Wix Email Marketing, Privy, or MailChimp. Go to the Wix App Market to find an app, search for email marketing, and add your desired app. Each one will have different user and price points for you to examine. Now, let's embed a subscription form on your site. On the Wix editor, click the Add button, select Form in the input menu, then drag and drop the subscription form into the Wix page you desire. Customize the form so it aligns with your brand. You can change the title, description, and the submit button's text. Make sure you only ask for essential information like their email address and perhaps their first name. Next, you'll need to connect your form to your email marketing app. Each app varies depending on the provider. Usually, connecting your provider is done through the settings menu. If you have questions, you can refer to your email marketing app. Create a thank you page where users are redirected after submitting the form. This page needs to thank them for subscribing and grant them their free gift. Upload your files via the Wix Media Manager, then use the Wix buttons to link the file download. For maximum impact, consider setting up a pop-up form that appears when visitors are about to leave your site or have been on a specific page for a certain amount of time. Head to the Wix editor for that specific page and use the Wix forms to create a pop-up. And finally, the most important step, nurture your list. Now you can send engaging messages that encourage more sales.